Now let's do two models, normative model and descriptive model. The first is normative model. What exactly it is? It is something that is based on the logic and how it should happen. So the focus is all on that this should happen like this. Focus is majorly on, understanding from the logical point of view. It makes sense. So it's more theoretical kind of a thing. It's a little more unrealistic. For example, all men are mortal. First statement. Second statement, all Greeks are men. Second statement, hence all Greeks are mortal. So this is a logical thing. Under this comes in the theory of probability. For example, now that this is an example of normative model, under which comes in the probability theory, which says that, for example, you are running a business. Now in running a business, how you're going to achieve success, or if you might fail. So these are the alternatives on the basis of your past experiences, on the basis of the statistics, the data, previous data that you have, the past things that you have seen in the things that you have seen in the past. According to that, if you make a decision, if you choose this very alternative, you're likely to succeed. Hence, you should take this alternative. You should be deciding on this. So this is from the logical point of view. Logically speaking, you are considering your past experiences, considering the statistics, considering all the things logically, and then making a decision, so you're likely to succeed. This is a normative model, normative theory, where you are focusing everything from the logical point of view. Now the problem with normative model is that it looks good only in books. So it is very theoretical in nature, that these are the things, this should happen, and this is how it should be. You should be taking your decision. But in real life, things don't happen like that. Things are not that simplistic. Things are more complicated, and it is very, normative model is very unrealistic in nature. Hence comes in your descriptive model. Descriptive model is more realistic in nature as compared to normative model. So descriptive models are the realistic kind of a model where people actually think in real life, have more real life patterns in it, and it is in a much deeper level of meaning. So this is what descriptive model is. I'll just give you an example here. Let's say it's a Saturday night, you're sitting at home, and you have an option of going out. You have been invited in a party, so they've called you to socialize, which is really good for your business. Now logically speaking, you should be going to this party because it is going to benefit your business. You're going to get profit for your business because you're going to meet so and so people who are going to help you in your business. So logic says that you should be going to this party, and moreover, it's a Saturday night, you have absolutely nothing else to do. So this is, you should be doing. This is normative model. Now descriptive model is much more deeper than this, the realistic thing in the world. Maybe, let's say I'm an introvert, or I just don't feel like, or there is something I'm hesitant about. There are emotions, there are feelings, there are, some decisions because of my past experiences that I don't want to go to this party. I know it is logically good for me. I should be going in this party, but I just don't want to. So I take a decision that I don't want to go to this party. So that could be because of number of reasons. So that is a descriptive model. So I hope now you have understood between normative and descriptive. In this session, in this lecture today, we'll be majorly talking about descriptive model, because that is what intrigues the psychologists, that what is it that people take decision, that is not always logical, which is little different from the logics, and how they take a decision, what makes them take a decision. These all things comes under descriptive model. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, because I'll be talking much more about psychology in general videos on IB psychology and on other boards as well. You can even make a demand what kind of video you want me to put on, like maybe upload. I mean, you can talk about any question, how to answer, how to structure the answer of a question or anything, and I would be happy to upload a video for the same.